parts, we want to integrate t times sine of 2t with respect to t. First, let's recall the integration by parts formula. The formula states that the integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. For this problem, we need to choose u and dv carefully. Let's let u equal t, which means du equals dt, and let dv equal sine of 2t dt, which means v equals negative 1/2 cosine of 2t. Now let's substitute these into our integration by parts formula. We get t times negative 1/2 cosine of 2t minus the integral of negative 1/2 cosine of 2t dt. Let's simplify this expression. We can write this as negative 1/2 t cosine of 2t plus 1/2 times the integral of cosine of 2t dt. Now we need to integrate cosine of 2t. The integral of cosine of 2t is 1/2 sine of 2t. Substituting this back into our equation, we get negative 1/2 t cosine of 2t plus 1/2 times 1/2 sine of 2t plus c. And simplifying our final answer, we get negative 1/2 t cosine of 2t plus 1/4 sine of 2t plus c. Let's verify our answer by taking the derivative. When we differentiate negative 1/2 t cosine of 2t, we get negative 1/2 cosine of 2t plus t sine of 2t. When we differentiate 1/4 sine of 2t, we get 1/2 cosine of 2t. The negative 1/2 cosine of 2t and positive 1/2 cosine of 2t cancel out, leaving us with t sine of 2t, which was our original integrand. And that's how we solved this integration by parts problem. Remember, the key is choosing u and dv wisely, and then carefully following the steps of the integration by parts formula.